Hello everyone, welcome to Robotic Revolutions. So today this is our unboxing video. So in this video I'm going to unbox this RoboChamp's Robotics Expedition Kit, which is related to the Quarky robot. So in this video I'm going to share with you guys that uh, in this kit what are the components we got from the like RoboChamps or from the Stampedia, from where we can get this kit, from where we are can get this kit, and of course I'm going to explain you about each components also in this video. So let's start with our video with our first unboxing of this RoboChamps Corgi robot. So now I'm going to unbox this and let's see inside this how the components that like what are the components we get from the our Stampedia or RoboChamps if we order this kit from their website. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here I'm going to open this. Now here we got this welcome to RoboChamps like build. This is our card which is related to Tinkers today, inventors tomorrow. Okay, so this is our simple card. So now here we got this, you can see here we got this recognition cards, paper creative and logo stickers. So like these are some stickers we got in this box, and of course there are some set of blue 9 plastic pins parts. So these are some parts which we can assemble if we going to make our project. So these parts are helpful for them. Like if you want to make any project, then these parts will be helpful for us to assemble this that time. So that's for these parts. So now this this is also plastic parts which is uh, will be help which is used to be helpful, like which is to be helpful for our project. Like if we are going to make any project, then it will be helpful for us to assemble these parts in that project. now Now we have this main component which is a servo motor. Like you can see that 3.3 volt servo motor is there, and inside it we have some wires like male and female wire. This you can see that here we have this male and female wire, and this ultrasonic sensor is also there. So it is helpful for us like to make a project, like if we want to make any distance sensor, like distance measuring project, or any object avoiding car, so that it would be helpful for us to in that uh, thing, so that it was helpful for that purpose. Now if we talk about this, so here is our servo motor. Like as you can see that we have these two servo motors we got from this we got in this kit if we order this, and inside it we have some wires also to connect the servo motor. This is our 180-degree servo motor, like it will rotate only 180 degrees, so this is helpful for that purpose. Now we have this set of green plastic parts. As I have told you that if you want to make any project, then it is helpful. Yeah, so this is our set of green plastic parts. So if you want to make any project, then this would be helpful for us in that uh, project. So this is some parts. Now here we have motor, wheels, holders, and motor wires, like wires, junction wires, and some nut bolts also there. So uh, yeah, so we have this two motor like wires or like wheels also. So if you want to make any uh, like uh, uh, RC car or anything else related to that, like robot, and if in that purpose, like where we just need two wheel, like four wheels, so in that purpose we will use these wheels and these inside it we have motors also, so it would be helpful in that project also. Now if I talk about this, so this is our set of fasteners, and it has also like nut bolts and some screws also, so that is helpful for us. Now we have this to like connect this wires, so it would be helpful for this that purpose. Now we have this type C uh, wire, so it is used to like charge our Quarky robot, so that is all about this. Now we have this some rubbers, and after that the main part we have this, you can see that it is our Quarky. Here you can see we have this two wheels inside it, the Quarky, and we have this 7 into 5 display. Like here you can see there are 35 LED displays, and here we have this light L left and right buttons. Like you can see that here is our button left for the left side, and here is our right side, and you can see that here is our main Quarky. And after that if we talk about this, here we have this two motors to run this wheel, and here we have this microcontroller, you can see that. And if we talk about this, so we have this type C cable, you can connect here only, and you can see that here we have IR sensors. Like you can see here you have this IR sensors like this and this. Now we have this like to rotate the wheel, so this is used for that purpose. Here we are over with our like Quarky robot. I have explained you each and every part of this. And now the last part is our this on and off button. It is used to on and off this Quarky robot. So that is all about this Quarky robot. And here you can see that it is used to connect the battery. Like this part is used to connect the battery. So here we are done with our Quarky. Now we have this battery. Here we got the battery. As I have told you about the Quarky. So to charge our Quarky we need one battery. This is our rechargeable battery. We will recharge it if it gets its low battery, so we can recharge it. It is our rechargeable battery. Now we have this some wooden parts, like if we want to make any set of boxes or any QR plate we have to assemble, so these parts would be helpful for us to connect this with our QR plate or any box we can made from this we can make from this wooden parts. So that is all about this. Now here we have this blue arena and creative paper cutouts and some QR stickers. So inside it, as you can see, if I open it, here we have this uh, blue arena, which is like if we want to make any line following robot or anything, so we can just open it and just place our Quarky, and let's and see our output, how it is working fine or not. Now we have this, these are some stickers inside it, you can see that here are some stickers, and also we have different kind of stickers, you can see here we got this from our inside our kit. Here we have different kind of stickers also. Now we have this set of fasteners also, some nut bolts and all, so it is useful for that purpose. Now we have this screwdriver also, we got this screwdriver. If you like, it is very helpful if you are going to make any project, so this screwdriver is also very helpful for us to connect our like to screw our nut bolts and all, tight our nut bolts, so this it is helpful for that purpose. Now we have this some more stickers, and this is our line following robot uh, line following robot chart. So if we want to make a line following robot uh, game or robot or car, so this chart would be helpful for us in that purpose. Like we can place it in the floor and place our robot is upon it, and it will runs according to that. So this is all about our Quarky robot kit. Here I have explained you about each and every part, and what parts we got from inside in this Quarky kit. So this is all about in this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to uh, know more about this channel, please go through all the videos inside our channel. And yeah, so if you want to see more such videos as I have made, so please comment, so please comment in this uh, video, and I will make more such videos about these topics and about this robot and robotics. So that's all about in this video. So if you like the video, then please like and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Robotic Revolutions. So I am winding up from today's video. So thank you for watching.